Hi everyone, welcome again to Skill Inspirational Academy. I hope you all are doing good. So today, as I understood by previous members and our students, they asked me to prepare some videos based on like what is the difference between pool member versus node in load balancing. Like we have seen there are different load balancing algo based on pool member or based on not. So they are saying that what is the difference between load balancing algo based on member versus not. So we will discuss today about this. So there are two things when you see load balancing algo. So load balancing algo can be done either by pool member. So pool member is consist of your IP address plus your service running on that IP address. But if you talk about load balancing member by node, it only consists of IP address. But when it says load balancing, it will count total services for one IP address. Either it can run on port 80, 443, so it will count total services for one IP address. So this is important concept. So let's go on next slide and see the pictures. So here we will discuss first method as load balancing as a service, which means you're load balancing a pool member, which means your IP address plus your port. So in this example, you see we have a client IP address 18.200.150.10. It goes to internet, then it goes to F5 virtual server, which is on IP 10.2.2.100. Then we have three pool member. One is 172.20.10.1. Another one is 172.20.10.2 and another is 172.20.10.3. So in this case, we have two pool members. One is HTTP pool and one is secure pool. So we have two pool with three members each. Like we have HTTP pool with 172.10.20.1, 10.2, 10.3. So in this case, we are using in this example, let's take HTTP pool is configured with least method. We are talking about this one, HTTP pool only. So let's take that when client request comes, big IP LTM will verify which pool member has a fewest active connection in HTTP pool. So we have an HTTP pool with three members. So big IP LTM, in this we have configured least connection member. So you need to take care. This line is very important, least connection member. So in this case, big IP LTM, we redirect the request to the pool member with the least number of connections. So let's say that we have this 172.20.10.1 has 45, it has 42, and it has 36. So in this case, according to you, it should send current connection count for each members are displayed in red. But as you see in the figure, we have a load balancing algo as a least connection, which means which pool member in HTTP pool it will send. So it will send to 36 because we have selected least connection member. So your answer would be 36. It will send to 172.20.10.3. So it will send to this pool member out of 3. So now let's talk about load balancing as a service only on node. So load balancing method we are using least connection same but on IP address. So in IP address, let's see that. So we have a same picture, but in this case, we are using load balancing method as least connection node. This one we are using least connection node rather than least connection member. So in this case, your client will send request. It will come to internet, then it will come to F5. So big IP LTM will redirect to the node with the least number of connections. So in this case, it will not see which pool member has a least service. It will see only the node. Like we have three nodes: 172.20.10.1, 172.20.10.2, and 172.20.10.3. So can you see that it will this this load balancing algo will not take account of your pool member. It will take account of all services running on the node. So it will just take accountability of IP address. That's it. So we have 172.20.10.1. It has 45 connections. Do we have anyone IP address in secure pool? No. So we have 45 here. So let's see another one, 172.20.10.2. So it is running on 80, it's running on 443. So in 80, it has 42 connection, and on 443, it has 12. So total is 54. So now let's see 172.20.10.3. In this case, we have 36 on 8080 and 22 on 443. So current connection count for each member will be displayed in red color. So we have 45, we have 54 total, and we have 58. So in this case, if you are using least connection node method, so it will send your request to the fewest active connection. So your answer is it will send to 45 as shown in the picture. So client will come, F5 will see what is the load balancing algo. It sees that I have least connection node method, then it will send to this. So here it's the difference. Suppose if it's selected as a pool member, so in this case, answer would have been 36, which is 172.20.10.3. But we have least connection node method, so it will count IP address. IP address can be a part of your HTTP pool. It can be part of your secure pool. So answer is 45. So in this case, your answer is 45 connection, and it will send to 172.20.10.1. So this is how your concept works when we talk about load balancing method based on IP address, load balancing connection based on member. So this is very important concept. So when you talk about IP address, it only talks about node. When we talk about load balancing by pool member, it talks about IP address as a service. So this is how it works. So please like and subscribe if you really like the videos, and please comment whatever you feel. So we will be keep discussing about different topics related to F5 modules. We have LTM, we have GTM, and many more like ASM and APM. So I will keep videos shorts so that you get each day new concepts. Thank you everyone for liking. Please like, watch, and subscribe to Skilled Inspirational Academy. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.